Hello everybody, welcome to this new brand tutorial video. In this video we're gonna look on how we can install our latest Android Studio 3.2 version, latest update. So follow along with me. So this is a website where you can get all the download and it's for free. Don't worry, you're not gonna pay any dollars. So here you just click download and you check this button. I have read and I agree with the above terms and conditions. Don't worry, all these things not going to freak you out. But if you can read it, just go ahead and read it. But if you cannot, it's okay. So you just click download. I've already downloaded it, so I'm not going to do it. Just click here download, and yeah, everything will download smooth. So let's head over to it. So let me go to my download folder. This is it. You double click, download. After everything has already finished download, so you just double click on it. I've already installed it, but I'm not gonna show you guys for the purpose of this video. So do you want to allow this app to make a change? Yeah, so yeah, it's showing that on install the previous version, blah 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 blah. It's okay. Just do that. They say this will remove all the program, blah blah blah, but you don't have to do this. I'm just showing the process. Yes, no problem. Click next. Yeah, so you make sure you check all these box. It's going to appear that but before they will not tell you to, if you want to install Android Studio for your first time, they will not say install the previous version. But if you have, that is how you're going to do it for the latest update. So you click don't forget to check these boxes. So you click next and you specify your folder. To me is on my C drive, so you specify it. You click next. If you want to check this box, do not create a shortcut. It's okay. If you check it, everything will show blank. It means you're not going to create any shortcut. But if you don't check it, it means you're going to create a shortcut. So you click install. So let's just wait for a while. They say please wait while Android Studio is being installed. Actually, I've already installed it, but I'm just trying to illustrate all the installation process for this video. And for this new Android update 3.2 version, you do not need to go and get Java. Everything is already built into all this Android Studio. There is no need for you to go and create part file, Java, get Basho, and so on and so forth. No, everything is included on the in the package. So you do not need to go somewhere to set your Java as we used to do before when we have Android 2.8. but this no, everything is encapsulated into this. So don't worry, when you install everything, you're gonna find everything here. So let's wait for the while our Android Studio installed. Extract Kotlin file, Kotlin compiler. Yeah, everything is finished. Setup was completed successfully. Thanks for your patience. So I just gonna click next. You see, start Android Studio. You click finish. So that is it for the installation. So let's wait and see how Android Studio is going to launch. That is Android Studio launching. Android Studio powered by the Intelligent J platform. So let's wait and see size is going to launch. And when you finish launching, I'm using better dark mode, but to set up the dark mode is something very easy. So this is it. Everything is this is how when you finish when you install your Android Studio, this is how it's going to look like. You should start a new Android project for the first time when you have never used Android Studio. So okay guys, thank you for watching. Love and share this video. So you can see here is showing version 3.21, which is 3.200. That is a new latest Android Studio update. So until then, see you guys.